Hello and welcome to a Vampy Games tutorial. This time I'm going to be teaching you how to make a shooting game. So first of all, go on Flash File ActionScript 2.0 and create a round dot on the canvas. Now I'm just going to add some eyes for the character. And put little dots in the middle for the eyes. Now, turn this into a movie clip. Go into the actions and put on press underscore root dot enemy 1 dot underscore visible equals false. Okay. By the way, all the codes on this will be in the description of the video. So with that, we're going to make another one. Just break it apart, turn it into a movie clip, another one, and give it the same actions. So underscore root dot enemy, but enemy 2 this time. Enemy 2 dot underscore visible equals false. But what we want on the first one is after you kill this guy will appear, but this one needs to be invisible anyway. So we're just going to add, I'm just going to copy this code for ease and put underscore root dot enemy 2 underscore visible equals true. Now, on the actions of the frame, we need to put underscore root dot enemy 2 dot underscore visible equals false. So it was never there in the first place. Now, we need to give these instance names of enemy 1 on the first character and enemy 2 on the second. And you'll notice there's only one. When you click it, that one appears. When you click this one, this appears. So now what we need to do is make it so they randomly appear anywhere on the screen. So we need to go into the frame actions for this. Right, put var areaX number equals Math.round in brackets Math.random times by 550. This causes it to go to a random place within the length of the stage. And var areaY number equals Math.round in brackets Math.random times by 400, so it will do the height of the stage. But if you have size, say 600 by 600, put in here 600 and 600 so it knows what it's doing. Now, on the line below this, put enemy 1 dot underscore x equals areaX, and the same enemy 1 dot underscore x equals areaY. Oh, sorry, y. So that'll cause it to go in a random place. Start it again. Yeah, so we get the idea. Now we need to do the same for enemy 2, but the only trouble is if we copy and paste that same code and then just put enemy 2, it'll cause it to go in exactly the same place as areaX and Y, so they'll just be on top of each other. So what we need to do is copy all of this and just paste it below it. Area 1, so it's area x1, area y1, and just replace this with 2, this with 2, and this with 1, and this with 1. So they'll appear in different places. You can do this with as many characters as you like. So I'm just going to show you an example if I was to do another one. 2, 2, 2, 2. And when you copy and paste this, just remember to put an extra, like, say I was going to do another one after this, I'd put 3, so that my new character would have the different place where it goes. But what we need to do is change the instance name to enemy3, go into the properties, change that to enemy3. So the only trouble is on enemy2 we need to make it so that it will make 3 visible. So just go _roots.enemy3._visible equals true, and then go on to the frame and make _roots.enemy3._visible equals false, so that they'll appear in different places like that. Now if you want to make a little score at the top, just add static text and put score like that. And just go across and in dynamic text make sure there's nothing in there, and make sure the var reads score. Now in every one of these you're going to have to add _root.score.text, actually _root.score. Plus equals, and I'm going to have it at 10. You can make this 100 or whatever you like, but make sure that it says _root.score plus equals 10. If you want it to decrease for some random reason, just simply put minus instead. Didn't mean to copy all of that. I'll put all of the codes in the description, like I say. The only one what I think I won't put in the description is all of the characters. Hopefully you understand this. You've just got to change this bit here to like whatever character it is on the first one, and on the second one you need to make it the following one is true. So I'll put one of these, and you've got to remember on the last character what you like, you have to make it enemy3 equals visible equals false, and don't do any more unless you want any more. So I hope you understand that. If you click one, and in the frame actions you need to put score equals 0, and this makes it so that when you click them you have this play again. Very simple way of creating your own game. What I'm going to do now is, if you want an extra frame saying you win, simply make a new frame, type in it in big letters, you win, just pop that in the middle, add an action to it saying stop, and we're going to have to do the same for this frame. Stop, and on the last one put underscore root dot go to and play 2. So 1, 2, you win. If you want your score on here, just copy this, paste it here. 1, 2, 3, you get 30, like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make a shooting game. Next time I'm going to be doing an animation tutorial probably. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time.